Hi, this is for Nicole 337. Okay. I saw on your page that you're diagnosed with autism. And it takes a lot of courage for someone to say that on YouTube to everybody in the world whoever's watching. My mom was diagnosed with cancer maybe a month or two ago. And she just told me maybe a week or two ago. And that was rough. Real rough. But I just wanted to tell you that you are pretty and you are beautiful. I'm coming this from the heart. You are so gorgeous. Never give up on your dreams, ever. Don't. If any person ever comes in your way and says, oh, you're not this, you're not that, you're ugly, you're fat, you're this, you're that, you know what? Tell them to go away. Don't listen to them. What's the point? What are they getting out of it? They want the satisfaction from you that you're upset. Don't give them that. And you know what? You're perfect the way you are because God made you the way you are. I'm not here to give you a religious view or whatever. I'm just saying, God made you the way you are. You are perfect in every shape and form. Don't let anyone bring you down. Everything in this world, everything happens for a reason. And these kids on here want to make fun of you and everything. Well, that's really shady of them to do that because they have no idea what it's like to be in your shoes. I might not either, but I've seen some kids through my years who've had autism and who they called me their best friend in the whole world. I've been there. I know what it's like. Okay, honestly, if you need to talk to me, I will talk to you no matter what time of the day it is, no matter what or this or that. Some of these kids probably live in rich $1 million homes who have rich parents and had nothing bad ever happen to them, ever had a tragedy. They have no idea what it's like to live a normal life or a disabled life. Okay? You are pretty, you are beautiful, and I hope you never forget that. Coming from the bottom of my heart, you are gorgeous in my eyes. Doesn't matter what you look like, you are gorgeous. Every single girl on this earth, no matter what shape, what size, what color, what ethnicity background, no matter what, all girls, women are beautiful. Never forget that. Ever. Don't let any guy or girl on this YouTube put you down. You are gorgeous, and goodbye, Nicole. Goodbye.